How to scan QR code on Telegram. So let's get started. First of all, if you launch your Telegram application and if you're logged into your account, you will land on this interface. Now if you tap on the three dots icon from the top left corner, and once you go to your settings and then go to your QR code, in this section you will only be able to find your QR code. But there is no option in the Telegram to simply scan any other QR code. So the way that you can scan the QR code in your Android device is, now go back from Telegram and open up Google Photos in your device. If you don't have Google Photos, then you can simply install it from Play Store. Now open up your Google Photos, and once you open it up, now you must have the screenshot of your QR code of Telegram in your gallery. So once you have that screenshot or the image, now simply tap on that screenshot or image. Now once you land on this interface and open up your image, now there at the bottom of this interface you will have an option as links. So tap on links. Now here you will get various options such as website, copy URL or share. If you want to copy this link, you can simply tap on copy URL and open it from your web browser. Or if you want to directly get into the website, then tap on website, or else you can also share your profile by tapping on this share option. Here I will simply tap on website. Now that will directly take you to your Telegram account, since that QR code was the QR code of my Telegram account. So that's how you can scan QR code on Telegram in your Android device, and that's all for today's video. Hope this video helped you, and if you are new to our channel, make sure to subscribe, like, comment and hit that notification bell icon. Thanks for watching, and I will see you on next video.